physical distancing by keeping 6 feet from others.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really special video. It is our second annual Secret Santa exchange video. So fun again this year. Last year I did it with 3 other couponers, and what we do is we basically draw names, do a Secret Santa exchange, and then we make a video and post it on YouTube to show you guys. Last year I did it with couponing with Kayla, coupons with Alicia, and Bree the Coupon Queen. This year, we added 2 more people to the mix. I hope that lighting stays. That looks really nice. But last year, we did ask Saving with Christina, but she didn't see the messages in time, so we said that we would have her, she could do it this year, of course, and then we also asked Coupon Wins with Linz if she wanted to join us to kind of round it out, to have a nice even number. So I got my packages last night, and I couldn't wait until we have to film this and upload this because I am a spoiled little baby and I wanted to open up my gift. So we all have our gifts now, and we all are like, okay, we can just open it whenever we want, and we just film it and post it on the same day. So a funny little story is I got my big box from my Secret Santa. So then I knew who my Secret Santa was. So then she told me there was another one that was delivered in my mailbox, and I'm like, oh crap, because this was a Monday and I haven't been to my mailbox since like Saturday morning. I go out there and there was this out there. So I have 2 things here to open, and we're just gonna get on into it. So my Secret Santa was Kayla, couponing with Kayla. And so I'm really excited to open these. And you will find out who I got by watching the other people's videos. If you watched last year, you will have a nice chuckle with who I had this year. So, all right, let's get to it. So I did open the seal to this, but I didn't actually look inside. Well, I kind of did. But I just wanted to take it out because it just felt like it was a box. So I am going to open this, and ooh, what do we got here? So we got something from Etsy. Oh. So we got something with straws. So let's see here. It's in a box, and let's see. I mean, I figured it's a cup. Oh, no, she did not. Oh, my God. Kayla, this is so perfect. So it is a Step Brothers mug with all, I hope you can see it well, with all of the sayings on it. The Catalina wine mixer. Investors, probably you. Oh my God, this is so funny. So it was right before we went to Richmond. I was saying stepbrother quotes to Lindsay because we were sharing a room, and I told her some funny things that I would do to her. So anyways, this is amazing. You've got Shark Week, you've got the bunk beds, you've got them at their, oh my God, Kayla, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. So next we got the big guy here, and it was funny because Kayla was like, I went a little overboard last year, and then we were all like, Kayla, you can have my name. Kayla, you can have my name. So let's open it, shall we? I'll do it over here on my lap because they did bring another chair. She was like, when we asked her last year, she was so excited because she's like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love giving gifts and surprises. So this is what is inside of my box. Look at this. Girl. Oh, she's got little messages on them too. So first, We have a card. I just ripped the envelope. I'm so sorry. Oh, look at this. So she puts on here, I'm so excited I got to shop for you this year. I'm so thankful that we've become friends. Wishing you and your family a wonderful Christmas. I hope you enjoy these gifts. One more may arrive before or after this package, hopefully in time for your video. Although it may or may not say inappropriate things on it, I had to get it for you. Love, your Secret Santa, Kayla. And she's right. It does say some inappropriate things on here, but it's magical. So it's one of my favorite movies. I know you might think less of me now. So we have this one here, and it says, I hope you like this kind. So let's see. Oh, I do. I absolutely do. And it's Godiva. Oh, I love Godiva. So one of the stipulations was we had a spend limit, but since we're couponers, we can, you know, reach that limit by, you know what I mean? It can be $100 worth of items, but if we only spent $50 on it, then the more, the merrier. You know what I mean? So that's kind of what we were going for. That's what I hoped I conveyed to the girls or the ladies when I organized this. So, a little something for your tree, a personal favorite, and I hope you like it. Oh, I love these little notes. I didn't put a card in a Secret Santa. I meant to, and I was going to grab one, but then, oh, I was going to get her a card, or I was going to grab one and put it in the box, and then I just taped the box and totally forgot because I was in a hurry to ship it. This says, Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Add some humor to your holidays with Tree Buddies. That is so funny. I love this. I love Christmas movies like Home Alone, Christmas Vacation, Elf, Santa Claus, all those type of things that are funny. So I love that. So this one feels, I hope this is one you will enjoy. And this feels like it's got some girth to it. I don't know what you know what I mean? It feels a little heavy. And it feels like Christmas morning. Oh boy. Oh. Kayla, of course I'm gonna love it. It's peppermint hot chocolate. Ah, it's a Bath and Body Works candle. Can you see it? Oh, and it is so, so pretty. My store did not have this. When I did Candle Day, my store did not have this. So this is cool peppermint, silky milk chocolate, and sweet cream. Oh, I was so bummed. Thank you, Kayla. Oh, how fun. Oh, we got some more stuff. So then we have Sarah with a heart on it. I thought you may enjoy these colors. Ooh, this one's wrapped really good. Oh! Ooh, look at this. Makeup. I said I loved makeup. One of the things we did is we filled out, this is so pretty, Kayla, thank you. One of the things we did is we filled out a little thing, just basically saying, you know, what we liked, like, you know, our favorite color, our favorite thing that we can't get enough of, like you could have just a ton of blankets or slippers or something like that, and I put down makeup. It was also, we also said things like what's your favorite color, what kind of decoration style do you like, some other things like that. So oddly enough, we were all the same. Like we all enjoyed like the same kind of scents or the same kind of colors. We all didn't like cranberry except Lindsay. She's like, I love cranberry, give it to me. Oh, what is this? What? Okay, let me open it up all the way. Like, I couldn't even read it. I got so excited. So it says, what is this? cheese printer to create beautiful meals for your family. Just say cheese. So, oh, I get it. It is, okay, here we go. So you put things like pictures on cheese. Isn't that neat? Oh, wow. I thought this was a printer for like your phone printing pictures, which you do that, you just put the phone, the thing, and it prints the, oh! That's not what the gift is. It's slippers. That was one of the things I said I couldn't get enough of was slippers. Kayla, you really had me. I thought you got me a thing to print faces on cheese. She got me there. But yeah, oh wow, look at these. That was one thing. I said that I couldn't get enough of blankets, slippers, candles, and makeup. Good job, Kayla. Not that I wouldn't mind a thing to print from my phone, print pictures on cheese. I might have to look for that. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Does this wrap job make me look like lotion? That's what this says. Does this wrap job make me look like a lotion? It does. Is it? It is. Ooh, what kind is it? Ooh, ooh, cotton candy champagne. Let's see here. It's also from Bath & Body Works. It's the body cream. I like the cream. Ooh, that just smells kind of sweet, kind of. That smells really good. That doesn't smell overly sweet, or you know what I mean? It smells really good. This is bubbly rosé, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar. It smells really, really good. I didn't smell this. I don't know if there was a candle for love, but I know that I wanted to smell this, but I just got all distracted and everything like that from the hype of Candle Day and other things like that. So we've got one more thing. Oh, it's called the 12 Days of Christmas. I know you love makeup, so I hope this is something that you can enjoy for many days. Ooh! It's from Ulta. The 12 Days of Beauty from Ulta. Oh my gosh. Kayla. Oh. I love this. This is so neat. I will definitely be opening these on my Instagram starting just a few more days. Okay. So I have the Wet n Wild one, and I was going to start it on the 1st, and then I forgot the 1st and the 2nd, and I'm like, well, it's only 12 days, so I'll wait until the 12th to start opening them. But oh my God, this is so pretty, just like this. This is so pretty. Kayla, you really outdid yourself, girl. You did absolutely amazing, and I love everything. And I can't wait to see everyone else's videos. That was the thing. I was like, can we maybe post our video early? Because I want to see what everyone got, because I knew everyone had their packages. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just loved everything that I got. I mean, chocolate, candle, slippers, drink some hot cocoa out of my stepbrother's mug. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I cannot believe this. It's just got like every little catchphrase and everything like that from the movie. And if you have a sense, not like if you have a sense of humor, but if you have a very sarcastic, silly sense of humor, you may like this video or movie if you've never watched it. So that is just crazy. So anyways, Kayla, thank you so much. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. I didn't notice this, but it says prank you on the inside. It says, don't get too excited, your real gift is inside. I am definitely keeping this for the kids. This is so fun.